Yeah, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Sylvester Junior, and what I do basically on this channel is I teach different tips and tricks on website design and other topics when it comes to the web. So today I have a topic I'll be treating, which is how to install WordPress on your cPanel. So a lot of persons don't know it's easy for you to install WordPress on your cPanel because a lot of persons go for the normal WordPress hosting, and which is I think is complicated because there are a lot of things you can do when it comes to installing WordPress on your cPanel, and you have a lot of ways to control your website when you install WordPress on your cPanel, and this can be done using the Substaculous app installer on your cPanel. So with that being said, let us go to my PC so I can show us how this can be done. Installing WordPress on our cPanel is very easy, and I'm going to show us how to do that right now. The first thing we have to do is to visit our cPanel. Okay, first thing, before visiting your cPanel, you have to get your hosting. Either your hosting, you can come to Bluehost, and you can get your hosting from Bluehost. From Bluehost, you can get your hosting from Bluehost, which is a very, very reliable hosting company. When you get to Bluehost, you come to Bluehost and get your hosting from Bluehost. But I recommend there's a link. There's a link in the description of this video below, which you can register, which you can use in order to register on Bluehost. Follow that link because you're going to get a discount, and once you visit Bluehost from that particular link. So with that being said, I will move forward to visit my cPanel. So I'll show you how we can install our WordPress on our cPanel. So next thing, what we have to do first is we go to our cPanel. For me, I already have my cPanel. So that's what I will do. I already have my cPanel. I'll go and log in to my cPanel. So yes, my cPanel is loading. My cPanel is loading right now. That is done. So next thing I have to do is I have to get the username and password to my cPanel, which I already have, because once you get your hosting from any hosting company you are using, they are going to give you a username and a password. So I have my username. So let me paste my password also. My password also, and I click on login. So voilà, yeah, you can see our cPanel it's open already. Next thing we need to do after opening our cPanel, we have to scroll down the page, and down the page we'll see what we call, you can see software, but I may not make use of that. I'll come to Substaculous apps installer. Yeah, that's where I will come to. And what do I do there? You can see WordPress already there. Now I told you this is very simple, a very, very simple step. You click on WordPress. You can see I've clicked on WordPress, and what next again after clicking on WordPress, we come to install, then we come to custom install. Under custom install, what I will do here is you can see the WordPress version, which is the latest version 5.7.2 is there. Then I want to install it under HTTPS, not HTTP. Then on this main domain, I already have a website hosted on this main domain, so I won't be hosting my WordPress on this main domain because I already have a website there, so I don't want to overhaul my website on there already. So if normally when you are install, you have to install on this main domain if that is the main domain for your website. For now, because of this, we are on they're actually demonstrating the process to us, so I will make use of any name at all. I can do it, that will be the folder IT, that will be the name of the folder, or I can, yeah, that will be the name of the folder. Then site name, you can set all these things later. So most times I don't bother in putting a site name on this because I know when I'm logged into my WordPress dashboard, I can actually set the site name and then the tagline. So with that being said, next thing I will do is I will go to my next is admin username. So I can, for now, for this case, I'll leave it as admin, but please can you change your username to something you feel only you will know. And for the password, I'm not going to change a strong password. I'm going to only copy this password and paste this password on my sticky note to save it. In case of yes, I'll paste it here. So for email, kindly use an email you know that is functioning. That email, in case you forget your password, they can send a reset password to that email for you. Then next, English and everything. You don't have to stop yourself in installing theme because we are going to do that once our website is up and running. So the next thing I will do, I'll click on install. So checking the submitted data, it's loading. They say this may take 3 to 4 minutes. Please do not leave this page until the progress bar reaches 100%. So yes, you can see we are done. So the next thing we are told, since we are done with that now, the next thing we are told to do is to click on the admin to log into our admin panel to show you that yes, we've actually installed WordPress. You can see that yes, you can see very simple. Already in our admin dashboard, you can see very easy and straightforward. So I will log out and visit our website URL so I can actually confirm. So I've logged out. So I'm going to visit I'm going to visit a link/wp admin. You can see. So our stuff was admin just now, and the password we should copy the password. And see, it takes less than 10 minutes to do this, and you can see you are done. Very easy. It does not take time at all in order to make this work. You can see you're already done with that. I can log out again. Oh, I can log out, then visit my main website to show you. So you know why we are using the website URL slash IT. This is just because I have a running website on this domain already. So I don't want that to affect this. So that's why I use IT. I save it on that folder. So by the time we visit this IT right now, you can see my WordPress. So it's very easy. So you don't have to just change this tagline. Let me show you how we can change this tagline, which is very easy. The site title name. So you can just come here slash WP admin login. Paste my password. So login. The next you can just go to appearance, customize, and see under the site identity, change it where you have my blog, you can change it to where you can change it to you can do something like where you have blog, you can use something like this. So you can just try this. You can come tagline. We offer the the biggest or anything you want to do. So very simple. You can see it has gone off. So if you want to do, let's cancel this and log out and visit our website. You see we don't find that again. You can see. So very easy to change your tagline and the site title. So with that being said, that will be all for today.
yeah, thank you for watching that tutorial, and I hope you learned a lot from it. And if you do learn a lot from that tutorial, please and please kindly click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification button so that anytime I drop a new video, you can get notified and learn a lot from what I'll be dropping on this channel. Thank you very much. Till next time we meet again.